and welcome to Tony's Garage. In this clip, I would like to present to you the 1987 BMW M5 E28, made by AUTOart on a 1/43 scale. The BMW M5 is one of those automotive legends that has gone on to define an entire subset of cars. The notion of a mid-sized saloon car with a supercar rivaling performance is as familiar today as a simple hot hatch, but there was a time when the super saloon was an unknown entity. Going back to the model car, this superb 1/43 scale replica of the E28 is another fine example of the quality and attention to detail AUTOart used to have on their 1/43 scale models. And I say used because, to my regret, they stopped making 1/43 scale model cars. AUTOart ensured this car has steering direction, something quite hard to find at this scale. They also invested in great details for the engine, as you would also see in the pictures from the end of this clip. As a side note, BMW had a rule regarding the 1/43 scale model cars, and that rule was that each die-cast model needs to have a mobile bonnet that will allow collectors to see the engine. And even if the general idea regarding this was a good one, the main issue with this decision is that this mobile hood usually gives quite a big space between it and the rest of the chassis, and this is quite visible at this scale, but fortunately, AUTOart made sure this is not the case for their BMW. Tell me what you think about this BMW M5. I am quite curious to find out. Have a great day and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.